Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Telegram group link. First, open the Telegram app and navigate to the specific group you wish to manage. Tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen to access its information page. Here, you will find various settings and options, including those related to inviting new members. This is your starting point for generating and sharing your group's unique invite link. For public groups, you can create a permanent custom link. From the group info page, tap the Edit button, then select Group Type. Change it from private to public. You'll then see an option to set a public link, which acts as a username for your group. Choose something unique and relevant, as this link will be easily searchable within Telegram. Once set, anyone can find and join your group using this link. Private groups use invite links that offer more control. In your private group's info page, look for the Invite Links section. Here, you can generate a new link to share with specific individuals or groups. You can also set an expiration date or a maximum number of uses for each link. This flexibility allows you to manage who joins your private community more effectively, ensuring better security and privacy. Managing your group links is crucial for security. Always be mindful of who you share links with, especially for private groups. You can revoke any invite link at any time from the Invite Links section, instantly preventing further use. For temporary access, consider setting an expiration date or a maximum number of uses when creating a new link. This helps maintain control over your group's membership. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.